So, good morning, class 7. How are you all? I hope you people are fine and enjoying your winter vacation holidays. So, here we are to begin with our today's SSC class. Okay, so let us start with our new topic. But before introducing our topic, I want to discuss something about media with you all. Like nowadays, we all are fond of using internet, television, radio, newspaper, magazine, without which our life is incomplete, I think. So now, today we will understand in detail that what is media. Okay, we will understand in detail that what is media, what is the purpose of media, and how you can use media. Okay, so our topic is understanding media. Our topic is all about the media, which is understanding media. So now, first we will begin with the word media. As this chapter is whole about media, so we will start with this word that what is media. So media is a plural form of the word medium. Media is one kind of medium through which we can communicate in society. Okay, it describes the various ways through which we can communicate in society, or it is the medium through which we can send our views and our opinions to others. Okay, so media is a medium through which we can communicate in society. And there is one word that is often used for a collective refer to the radio, TV, newspaper, internet and several forms of communication. And what is that word? That word is media. Okay, which refers to collective words like our daily, we are watching TV, we are reading newspaper, we are surfing the internet. Okay, and there are several forms of communication which we are using on a daily basis. And this all comes under a one word only, that is media. Okay, so media collectively refers to all these mediums through which we can communicate our views in society, through which we can get the communication about what is happening in the society, what is happening in a country, what is happening even in a world. Okay, so this is media. Okay, you can have one definition, simple definition of media, that it refers to all means of communication. Everything ranging from a phone to a television is media. All means of communication, like everything from a phone call to a television, everything comes under media. Okay, I hope now the meaning of media is clear to all. So now come to the next topic, that is mass media. What is mass media? We have understood the meaning of media. Now see what is mass media. So mass media, the media which reaches millions of people. Okay, the information which reaches millions of people or the masses across the country and the world are known as the mass media. Okay, the information or the media which reaches millions of people. Like you can have the example of television. At the same time, the same information can be given to a million of people across the world. Okay, you can have the example of newspaper. You can have the example of radio. Okay, so radio, television, all are the example of the mass media, because at the same time, same information can be provided to a million of people across the world. Okay, so this is the meaning of mass media, which can reach to the million of people or the masses across the world or across the country. So this is about mass media. Now come to the forms of media. What are the forms of media? We have understood media. Let us understand now the forms of media. So media is divided into two types. What are those two types? Those two types are electronic media and the print media. Okay. Electronic media covers like TV, radio, internet, computer. All are the electronic media. Okay. Now what is print media? Print media which is in the printed form. A simple definition. Okay, like newspaper, magazine, journals, pamphlets, all are the print media. So these are the two types of media. First is electronic media and the another one is the print media. Electronic media includes like TV, radio, internet and computer, and the next one is the print media. Print media includes like newspaper, magazines, journals, etc. So these are the two forms of media. I can show you the picture also, like radio, internet, TV, all these are the electronic media. And now you can see the pictures of print media, like magazines, journals, pamphlets, newspaper, all are the examples of print media. So I hope you people are clear with the meaning of media, with the meaning of mass media and the forms of media, that is electronic media and print media. Okay, so after completing this, we are proceeding to our next topic, that is media and technology. So how media is related to technology? So media is all about technology. See, newspaper, television and radio can reach millions of people. Why? Because they use certain technologies. Okay? Technology does more than this. It also changes the way in which people think, in which we think about our lives. Okay? So technology is not only about TV, radio, newspaper. It is more than this. It can even change the thinking of the people, that how we think about our lives. Okay? And for example, you can take the example of television. Like television has enabled us to think of ourselves as a member of a larger global world. And television images travel huge distances. How? Through satellites and cables. Okay? So the technology that mass media uses keep changing. Technology is not same. It not remains same. Okay, it not remain same over centuries. Technologies keep on changing. Like earlier we had that keypad phone. Okay, but now all people are having the Android phone. Okay, earlier if you want to send a letter or if you want to communicate something, then you have to post a letter. Okay, which take many days in passing a simple information. But nowadays we all are having mobile phones, okay, in which we have the latest technologies through which we can easily communicate our words to other and within a few seconds only. And it can even cover a lot of people at the same time, because we can provide same information to many of the people in the same time. So this you can take an example that mass media, the technology that is used by the mass media keeps on changing. Okay? And the widespread use of internet is a recent phenomenon. Like earlier we are not aware of the internet, but now we cannot even imagine our life without internet. Okay, so all these are the examples that technology that mass media uses keep on changing. Okay, so this is all about mass media and technology. Okay, I hope so you people are clear with it. So now we are proceeding to our next topic, that is media and money. How media is related to money? Can you have any idea about it? How we can relate media to money? So let's see. The technologies that mass media use keep changing. And if we are changing our technology, so a lot of money is spent on this. Okay? Because we cannot update any technology without spending money. And if you are getting the latest technology, so you have to spend a lot of money. So the technology that mass media use keep on changing, and so a lot of money is spent to get that latest technology. And due to these costs, the mass media needs a great deal of money to do its work. So how the media gets the money? Okay, to update the technology, okay, and to do the work. So as a result, most television channels and newspapers are a big part of the big business houses. Television channels and newspapers are the part of big business houses. Mass media is constantly thinking of ways to make money by advertising things. Through the process of advertising, mass media is creating the money. Like with the advertisement of cars, with the chocolates, with the advertisement of clothes, mobile phone, the things that we are uses on a daily basis. Okay, by the advertisement of all these things, media is earning money to update its technology. Okay, so this is how media is related to money. Okay, the money that the media gets is through the advertising. Okay, so with this, I want to conclude that what we have studied today. So we have studied about the meaning of the media. Okay, that what is media. Then we have studied about the mass media. Mass media which reaches to a million of people at the same time. Then we have studied about the forms of media, that is electronic and the print media. And after that we proceed to media and technology, that how media is related to technology. And then we have studied that for updating that technology, from where the media gets the money. Okay, so this is it for today's class. Rest we will include in our next class. Okay, so read this chapter properly, and rest of the chapter we will discuss in our next class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day all. Be safe.